everyone, my name is Eylül Düzgün. I'm a second year molecular biology and genetics student at Bilkent University, and this is my video for my project. So for my project, did a Wheatstone bridge circuit where I am using the Kirchhoff laws to calculate the resistance of an unknown resistant. And in order to create this circuit, I managed to gather the materials of alligator clip wires, 5 different resistors, a potentiometer, and 2 multimeters, one used to measure voltage and one used to measure resistance. So I set up my circuit in the sketch that is shown here, and after that I turned on the DC power supply and I read what the multimeter measuring the voltage between my nodes said, and then I changed the resistance of the potentiometer until it went to the lowest number that it could get to. I witnessed that I couldn't exactly get it to the balance or the equivalent point, which was supposed to make the voltage equal to 0. So I went to the lowest number that I could, and as a result, I got a bit of some errors, and I calculated my unknown resistances to be 645.1, 110.3, 214.3 K ohms, and these were not accurate as I measured the unknown resistors at the end after I had disassembled my circuit, and I got the numbers 507.2, 321.5, 147.7 K ohms, and this got me to receive error rates of 27.2% and 65.7%, and in the end 45.1%. These errors were relatively higher than I have been expecting, but during the process of me doing the experiments, I did mention that I was unable to get the voltage down to 0, which would have been my balance point. And for my second trial, which had the highest error rate, I was actually not able to lower the voltage that much. So this proves that the more unideal my setting was, the less accurate that my results are getting. And if I had been able to maybe get to 0 or closer to 0, if I could have been more precise, I would have gotten better results. There were also some smaller reasons of error, such as me neglecting the internal resistance of the DC power supply, the multimeters, and the resistances of the wires, or some of the wires weren't properly attached to each other at times, and all of these could have been fixed if we wanted a more accurate result, and that's what I've learned. Thank you for watching.